अफरा तफरी की जो आवाज आ रही थी, काफी जोरों से आवाज आ रही थी।
हमने 2 व्यक्तियों को इसमें डिटेन भी किया है।
3 aspirants have lost their lives after a coaching center located in India's capital, New Delhi, was flooded.
Every year, 13 lakh students give UPSC Civil Services exam. And out of these 13 lakh students, 8 lakh live in the different cities for the preparation of this exam. They pay average 15,000 rupees per month in the rented accommodation, which comes around 1,200 crore rupees per month in the rented accommodation. And it comes around 14,400 crore rupees on yearly basis in the rented accommodation. This is not the only thing. Forget about the food and every other amenities that they require. 1.5 lakh students, they enroll in the different coaching institutes to get guided. But then here also they are paying near about 500 to 600 crore rupees to the government. So I'm asking that who is responsible for this particular mayhem which has happened and the life which has been lost. So are we not important to the governments of the day? Are we not important to the MCDs of the day? Are we not important to anybody who is responsible and who has accountability towards her? If we are not the voters of a particular area, that does not mean that our life does not matter. I have been a student and I have also prepared for this exam. I'm pained to immense measures by listening this particular thing which has happened in the Karol Bagh. And my heart goes out to the families that what they must be feeling right now. This loss cannot be repaired, but then what we can do right now is that this never happens in future. And for that, what solution we have? What options we have? Let us take a resolve that we will not go to the libraries which are so creepy. And moreover, why there is a need of library when we can clear this exam from our rooms itself, from our houses itself. Don't enroll yourself in any of the coachings which are not providing any basic amenities, be it the state government or be it the central government, that they must come up with student area rent moderation and basic amenity bill. Many of us are engineers then who are preparing for this exam. So why not engineers create an app whereby all the students who are enrolling in the coaching institution, they also get registered in this app, and if you are going through any such kind of grievance, any such kind of complaint, please post it on that particular app and we will make sure that through hashtag it reaches to the government authorities or relevant authorities. And moreover, there is a request from my side to all my students and my friends who are in the civil services, please don't show any apathy to us. Then you have also been in the shoes of the civil servants. You have also prepared and you have also felt these kind of things. So once you are in the administration, your help will matter a lot. Please help us. I request all the civil servants to stand with us. They have been students and they have faced the same kind of problems. So you know that what it takes to be in this exam, to prepare for this exam. Your support will go a long way and it is very much required. At the same point of time, I want to request to all the citizens of India and each and every parent, उस हर भारतीय नागरिक से, उस हर भारतीय पेरेंट से जिनके बच्चे किसी न किसी स्टेज पे किसी न किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी करेंगे और उनके साथ ऐसा कभी ना हो, इसके लिए आज आपको हमारे साथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और अगर आज आप हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं तो शायद ये भारत के इतिहास में कभी ऐसा इंसिडेंट रिपीट नहीं होगा। प्लीज़ बी विथ अस, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट अस. Don't be apathetic at this particular moment and let our voices reach to the government authorities. I request you all once again, thank you, and I hope that you are going to support us in this endeavor.